Welcome back, guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today, I would like to show you the updates for Metis DAO with my customer Chris. What's going on now? Let's dive in. Guys, I remind you this moment, this cycle, any Binance new listing, if the token traded before Binance, is not a bullish news. So just in case. So this was exactly date of listing, announcement listing, and this is how the token performed from 148, we dump it to $16. So just in case, just for the future, if you accumulate some token on other exchanges, for example, like Fartcoin. Today I posted the video about Fartcoin. This token is still not listed on the Binance without any announcement. So just be ready for that potential scenario if you accumulate now or accumulated previously. If you see the announcement from the Binance about the potential listing, you know what will happen next. This is a chart what I'm tracking since here, I guess, in Zone 23, I posted the first video about Metis. My conservative price target for Metis is still relevant to $200 if this token is not a pure scam. We can't know. We can't know, guys, in a moment. Of course, I hope the exchanges will not delete this token, and I hope this is not a scam. Market capitalization now is only 100 million, FDB 168 million, 6.5 million, not a billion. Supply now 65%, unlock it. So, you know, like $100, it's over than half 650 million market capitalization. So $200 is like 1.3, right? 1.2 billion market capitalization. So it's more than real to see, you know, but it's kind of weird how this token perform. Once again, we dump it to the low, what we saw it in Zone 23 after the 2 years. But yes, guys, congrats everybody who fixed a profit. Now we are inside accumulation zone, still 27 block. So this was like 1,300% gains. If you watch it, today video about altcoin season, what I posted, just in case, the Polkadot from the low of November 2020 to the all-time high in November, around October, November 2021, with a crazy altcoins rally, reached like only 1,300% gains. It's a numbers for you, like example. So yes, for some tokens, guys, sometimes the 1,500, 2,000% gains, it's end of cycle. So yes, unfortunately, there's not enough liquidity to pump all of these tokens to new all-time high. That's why if you believe, of course, it's only your vision can be, you know, you can wait the 473. So that's it. You can wait the new all-time high. What should happen with this token? So this token will perform like crazy to 473. I have no idea. Why we pump it here? Because it was the last tokens in circulation supply. Take a look. When the tokens added into circulation supply, green, it's price, blue one, it's market capitalization. So here, almost equal, you know, like a market capitalization and the price. After that, consolidation, pump, more tokens into the market. So market capitalization pumps, but price, not so impressive, right? That's why now more tokens into the market. Plus, I guess they send some airdrop, right? If I'm right. So it's hard to pump the token to I don't know here, to over than 1 billion market cap. So here at highest point of the market capitalization being like 1.15 billion market cap, right? So it will be the $100 price. It will be, no, $200 price. $200 price. We have to reach like the same all-time high by market capitalization. This one. Around here, 1.3, I guess, will be the market cap. And yes, this can be the end of cycle. So why not? Let's say 2, 3, around 2.5. Yes, if I'm correct, 2.5 billion will be at 400. Also possible. So based on indicators, guys, this is accumulation from the whales. Previously, how the whales accumulate and how they distribute. Here, this one. This was some accumulation, and yes, this token perform. I'll recommend you use the My Custom Site. You can track everything in real time, on different time frames. Weekly time frame I use for investment. And 27 zone, it's for investment. Take a look how the price respect the 27 level. So based on this strategy, every single strategy got risk. There is no 100% a safety strategy. No, $34.97, $13. It's a zone of accumulation. Even here, so you can open the first video about Metis, and this is absolutely the same levels. Absolutely the same levels, guys. We rejected at 23 and drop it down. That time I post the 27 zone, it will be absolutely still the same. So I don't need to redraw the charts again and again and again. That's why if you believe in this project, you can accumulate. Now it's logically accumulated at Metis. Yes, not that much tokens in that accumulation zone, but it is what it is. Now it's logical accumulation. Can we pump and dump like this one to sweep the low of zone 23? Yes, of course. It's possible. We can't know the future, guys, but we take an action or not. Nobody knows the future. Nobody knows what token will be delisted at next. So which one will perform, which one not. We can see only current data and we can work with own risk management. That's why, like conclusion, we are inside accumulation zone. We are not so far from the zone 23 low, right? And BTC dominance still high. So one day the money will outflow from the BTC into alts and some Metis grab that part of liquidity. And this is a low cap, 100 million. Let's double check the fundraising rounds for this one. Because many times I saw the funds dump the price to their entry. $4, wow. Looks bad. Looks bad and looks scary. So seed round... I don't know why is there is no date. Oh, here. Zone 21. $4, $3, 4, 1, 1, 150. I don't know if somehow somebody hold from that era who's still in profit like 1,500% gains, who still hold it. I don't know. But imagine that guys who invested at strategic round, they at the all-time high, they fixed it like 8,000% gains. But it wasn't zone 21. That's why I thought they already fixed it, that profit. IAO round, zone 21 was $5, $5. So guys, it's hard to say. Do they get a plan to dump the Metis to $5? Technically, I don't think so. They will, because let's imagine if this token is not a scam, what's the point to dump to, for example, $5 and after that what? Make everybody rich? Just again, from nothing? Give the retailers the option to making money with the Metis? I think by logic, would be more logical to see some consolidation. After that, some recover move, break the structure. At this point, a lot of people hop in. At this point, everybody will start screaming, we're going to the $500 to 1,000 and all of this stuff, and wrecked everyone. So this is a logical case scenario. Take a look there. Let's hide this FEEP. So based on direction, yes, now the whales accumulate. Last time it was like pump 160%. You remember this structure. So when we drop like this one, I'm not counting this week. We formed the bounce almost to 0.5 level by figure, almost. So let's say another drop. So locally, at least, we can wait the $40, $40.71. If this token is not a pure scam, guys, and the venture funds don't have a plan to wreck everyone with this token. Let's double check, guys. ADZ, direction I showed you, market mood. This is accumulation. It was a pump distribution. This is accumulation at $12.56.54, and now it's accumulation again. So would be good to see that sweep of like $11 to form the divergence, you know, in August. It will be more bullish. More bullish for the upside move. This, you know. So this is going to be the the perfect scenario for everybody who waiting the dip, form the divergence on a weekly and go higher. Capitulation, disbelief on the market mood. So one more reason why it's good accumulate a Metis if you believe in it, guys. I, for this current moment, skip Metis. If we drop, I don't know, lower to than $10, maybe I will buy it. I can't buy because I don't have unlimited budget. So let's be real. I explain it every single time. I don't have unlimited budget. I'm not that type of influencer who shield you buy the deep every single time. No, let's be real. Based on a monthly time frame, this is a over the middle line, so it's not accumulation. It's not accumulation on a monthly, but based on the market mood, we finally landed to the disbelief zone. So, it's risky. Of course, it's risky. But if we talk about risk ratio, now I think it's okay time for accumulation. Money outflow, no money inflow on the monthly. Let's add alert to the money inflow on monthly time frame. Weekly, like you can see here, is a money inflow, tiny bounce, money outflow, money inflow, and let's add one more alert to the money inflow on the weekly. So let's say when the money inflow will trigger on the Gadio, I will share it with you the notification in Twitter. Here's a alerts, recent one on a BNB, money outflow. Playing out pretty good one. USDT. Let's go back to the. No, it's Gate. So guys, notifications I will share with you in Twitter, but I highly recommend it. You can use it by your own, and add alerts even on a daily time frame. The last indicator, guys, what I would like to show you here. Another reason why it can be the good time for accumulation Metis. Because here, last time when we trade long-term period under fundamental value, we bounced it to 23 level by FIB. Now we trade once again under fundamental value. So my conclusion would be good to form something like this one. 1, 2, maybe it's you can call it double bottom, triple bottom. The size and the pump will be anyway to the take profit line again. 59, 58 at this current moment. Risky, but there is no risky coin. It's a weekly time frame, daily. Daily, I wish to see the buy line. This will be, for me, like one more confirmation. So the 1182 with a weak candle. Let's add alert to the buy line. It will be the one more confirmation to buy. Because if you want to buy now, you should be ready to see the drop 40% down. That's why, guys, like conclusion, I'm still bullish for Metis when the BTC dominance will be under, let's say, 55% to 200, but 200 it can be the top of the stock, just in case. If you like to trade with my customer, because I would have showed on this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.